Hello, my digital planner friends. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do a plan with me for May, and we're going to do it for Mother's Day. We have a Mother's Day kit that we're using, and that is what we're going to be doing today. So if this is something that you're interested in, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single video. If you're new around here and don't know who I am Brandi Reed with 3 Nail Faith, where I create digital planners and digital stickers for Christian women. Let's get to planning. Okay, so we are going to do May, and we're going to use the Mother's Day theme kit. This one turned out really cute. At first I wasn't quite sure because it's kind of muted, and I like to usually use some bright colors because I like brightness on my planner, but I just think the overall of this kit turned out really, really cute. So we have Happy Mother's Day with a bear, some roses and mom. We have a Bible verse, 2 more Bible verses, another one, so that's 4 Bible verses total, and then your backgrounds. Then we have prayer lists to do, your some rectangles, your flags, your weekends, some washi, your check boxes, and of course your date covers. Then we have just some words that you may want to use. These graphics are so cute that I found. Okay, so we have the mom with a bear, a bowl full of love. This one I thought was super cute. I see these, a lot of women are making these nowadays, and I just thought that was adorable. Happy Mother's Day on a tag, the birthday, family time, payday, Bible study, a journal. I thought these turned out adorable as well. And then your little flag things there, and your icons, your emotions and weather for our daily pages. We have our hex codes if you want to use the pens. These are like you can do meal plans, and then if you wanted to, you could, put this over it so that Monday through whatever is your meal. And then we have this a heart as well. So that's the kit we're going to use today. I like to use the Elements tool. So I come in, find the kit that I'm going to use that I've already loaded into Elements. I have this box here with the line. If you touch it, it will open you up on the side. And I just like to scoot it over so that I can see 3 at a time, and then pinch that to make it smaller. Okay, so let's get started. I want to start with my days, covering those up. I'm gonna go ahead and slide and I'm just gonna go ahead and drop them all in where they go. Sometimes they drop in a little wonky for some reason in the how they come up. I don't know why they do that. Sometimes they're all put together correctly, but there's no telling. And I want to find that heart. There it is, because I'm going to use that to cover up my little circle. And let's go in and start working on putting these in place. You're going to tap them. Now, they don't always come in straight, and it's not easy to work with the Elements tool, but if you touch the Photo tool and then touch that, and you have more control over your image because you have these two and your side. Whereas before with just the Elements tool, you only had this guy right here. And I just want to try to get them as close as I can, not really, again, worrying too much about how they line up. Let's move. Just as long as it's close. My planning style is more just to have fun than to worry about them being beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So that's what we're going to do. All right, now that we got all those in, now see how we've got This little circle here, I don't want the little circle. Just want to cover it up with something that's going to cover it up and be cute at the same time. Now I've got it to the size that I want it, but I want to move it off of the sticker up there because what I want to do is copy it so it stays that size. But I do not want to copy it right here because it's going to copy all of that instead of just the heart. So that makes it super easy to just go in. I could just drag and drop, you know, my heart, but it's not going to be the same size that I want. So, and I like it kind of uniform. I'm more of a uniform. I like everything to be symmetrical, that it can be just a little, I guess you could say OCD, but okay, so we got that all taken care of. Let's look for the washi so we can fill in some of this areas. I was just trying to see what I want to do. Okay. I don't know that I want to use that one. I think I'm going to want to use this one. All right, see how it's really distorted and really very wonky? First off, as soon as you let go of it, it's going to clear up. And see, now your sticker looks fine again. So don't worry when you see it all distorted. Also, if it comes in wonky, sometimes they come in like this. All you just need to do is touch your image tool and you can straighten it right out. I also like to do this image tool because you have more control, like I said before. So we can get it a little bit closer to the side we want. Okay, I think I may just leave those open, and I'm definitely going to leave that one open because I'm going to cover, we've got some really cute images this time. Put that one up there. I'm going to put Mother's Day is the 14th. So I'm just going to, normally I put church and everything in. I may still squeeze it in there, but I love that little bear, so I want to make sure I use that. We got that guy. You know what? We're not going to do that. We're going to do, because I really did want to have church. My church. Is there another one? There we go. I'm going to use, where did that little flag go? There we go. I'm going to use this for Mother's Day because, yes, it's not quite as predominant, but I just really like to have my church on there. So I'm going to need this in a minute anyway, so we're going to let's go ahead and zoom in so we can see all this. Actually, I think what we're going to do is we're going to plan according to this guy. And we're looking for, there it is, the church. And there we go. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and copy these two and paste them in. We also take out our trash. I like to have my little trash guy. Trash can, there it is. So we'll copy all of these because these two down here are going to need the same things. Okay, now oops. I've been tracking my weight, so let's do it this way this month. We'll put our start there. Usually I put my start on the top, but that'll work too. We have Bible study on Wednesdays. That's one of the things I just love about digital planning. You can move things around, you can resize things so easy. My biggest thing is I never liked having anything with crosses off or anything like that. So it would drive me nuts if something didn't, like if our plans changed and I had to cross things off. I just, that always drove me bonkers. I don't know. Are you guys like that too? That's one of the things that I love about digital planning. You can just easily adjust and easily change things up. Super fast, super easy. Okay, let's see. The 31st is also, let me see, I think we're going to use green. My husband's and my anniversary. So we're going to add that in. And the 29th is Memorial Day. I love using these little flags for things like this. And then the 26th is my kid's last day of school. I'll be out for the summer. Excited for that. Let's see, payday is the 4th. And the 18th. And we pay bills on the Friday. Let's see, where's my little, I think they're at the top. Let's use this one. Now, I think I'm going to make this a little bit bigger just to maybe not. There we go. Just wanted it to stand out just a little bit more. There we go. It goes right behind everything because it was put down first. Remember with GoodNotes, anything that is put down first is on the bottom. You don't have a way to change the order of once it's been placed. So the very first thing that's been placed is always the bottom, and then as you add things, they go towards the top. Let's see. I really want... Well, let's try this month. See what happens. I really like this guy. So we're gonna come in and play with him for a minute and see if we can make a cover. I haven't done a cover in a while. Just trying to show you different options that you can. Oh, we don't want to cover up that, so. Just trying to show different options that you can do. All right, so that, I think that's just too much. Let's do, where's this? We need the image, crop, and again, I'm going to take off. You can take this part off and it just becomes a rectangle. And we need to shrink it down so it fits. I may end up changing that throughout the month, but for right now. For right now, we'll leave it. And I think we're gonna go with that for this month. Let's see, is there anything? Yeah, we are gonna go with that. So that is our May's calendar. If you have any questions, make sure you leave a comment below. Go ahead and like this video if you like to watch Plan With Me. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything. And I will see you in the next video. Have a wonderfully blessed day. Bye-bye.